Good morning, guys. Well, I want to give everybody a little quick update. It is a cool morning, and it finds us actually making some improvements to the hydraulic press. What I have here is our actually next batch of hammers. These are going to be in the 2-pound range. We're actually making these out of 4140 steel, but we're actually drawing this down from way heavier stock. And part of the problem when you're doing that is that there tends to be a problem where the steel's not going to be square because you're moving so much it doesn't stay really nice. So what you end up with is something like this that we call the rhombozoid. So you can see that it's all mushed off to one side, and it's very difficult to correct that with the flat die. So what we did is yesterday we actually came up and we made what we call squaring dies. You can see the piece here and here actually have a cut into them, and you can see a cold piece of stock. So what's happening now is right now none of this is welded in. What we've done is we've put the dies in there. We put a cold piece in here. This actually regular stock, so this is true. And we'll take our welder, tack everything in, and then take the whole piece out and weld it up. But the problem is we have to guarantee the alignment. If you don't do it this way, then you could be 1/4 of an inch off, 1/8 of an inch off, and that's not going to give you a very square piece. So hopefully this is going to correct this problem, and we can move on to making a few new punches, a few new drifts, and start cranking out a few other hammers. So anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. See you all in a bit.